Quick and easy. And this is going to be a non-stop film, so you can see how long it takes to cook the salmon. This is a 6.5 ounce piece. Put a little salt, put some pepper. What makes it crispy is going to be the cornstarch. Put a little more salt on both sides. Now, without touching it, just get cornstarch on both sides nice. Cover it well. Push down on it so you get that coating. This is what's going to make it crispy. And now we go right over here to the pan, which has half butter and half olive oil. Okay, so it's 6.5 ounces. And I put half oil and half butter because I don't want the butter to get really dark, even though it's going to turn a little bit. And I am eating this very much on the pink side, close to sushi. For me, that's the only way to eat a piece of salmon. Look how often you go out and you have a piece, and you could see cracks in it when it's served. That means it's overcooked. And then when you cut a piece, it kind of breaks off so easily. Well, I don't want that. I want to have a piece that is firm and still juicy. And I'm serving this over a bed of a mixture I make. Black beans, quinoa, and brown rice. But the cornstarch, you can't hear it, but that's what's going to make it crunchy. Flour doesn't do it. So it's a moderate flame. If you notice, the butter is browning. I'm also using what's left in there, the butter and the oil, to go on top of the fish. So if you like this recipe and you want to see another over 800 of mine, they're all on YouTube. And if you check if you feel like subscribing, and you make sure you click on the bell, that way you'll be notified when I have videos. And also at chefrobertcorey.com is where I have a large listing of my recipes which link to YouTube, but it's still in works, but you can see what's going on there. I'm raising the flame just a little bit more because I want to get this crispy and out of there. You see how firm that is? Now, if you don't want to eat it like rare, well, you don't have to. Just keep the flame lower. And cook it a little bit longer. But this is good for me. So if you like sushi, this is how long you would cook a 6.5 ounce piece. Very good. And I'm using a fork because it doesn't damage the fish. You could use a spatula. I chose a fork. And here is the finished piece. with the addition of just a little bit of this butter oil mix, which gives it that nutty flavor. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed it.